Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Vadim, and in today's video I'm gonna be installing and reviewing a very cool product. This is a smart water monitor and shut-off system that will detect your leaks in your household by Frizzlife. So this is LP365 series, and this product comes with an app. So you can install an app and get 24/7 real-time alerts. So if you travel and you're worrying that there will be a leak while you're away from your house, so this product will add a peace of mind while you're away from your home. So as you can see, there are two options that you can choose. So my main pipe is 3¼ so this is the one I chose when I was choosing the product. There are many options within the app. You can actually control the usage of water in your household and many more. So right now I'm gonna install it, and after installation we're gonna test it and I will do a review in this video. As you can see, it is really well packaged, and now we will do an unboxing. We'll see what we have inside. So we have manual here, some washers, the unit itself, it's actually pretty heavy. It is really nice quality unit. So here are 3¼ connections. So here is everything that I purchased for this installation, and right now I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna use it. So these are PVC connectors. We'll go here after applying some Teflon tape. So the other one will be installed right here. So obviously I'm gonna cut this part from the main pipe. So this is a compression coupling that you can slide up and down. This is a perfect coupling that I recommend you to buy. It is good for hot and cold water, but because this is a main pipe, there's gonna be only cold water in there, so it's gonna go somewhere in there or on the bottom. So this is coupling I bought just in case, and I also not sure if I have cement. I know that I have a purple primer, but just in case I bought a new pack of primer and cement if I don't have it, so I don't have to come back to the store and waste my time. So this is our main water supply line, and right now I'm gonna shut off the water, and this is very important part that you cannot skip. Just shut off water to my house, and now I can start working on the installation. You can also open valves, garden hoses, just to empty water lines, and all of the standing water. You can also do it in your house. So this is a power cord to this unit. You have USB plug, just install it like this, and we got lucky because we have an outdoor outlet here. If you don't, so you can use an extension cord, or you need to install an outlet near your main water supply line. So I'm gonna apply Teflon tape here and here as well. We have two washers that we need to install prior. We need just to put it like this. So two connectors are exactly the same. So now I'm gonna screw this one into its place, and I need later to take a wrench and tighten this part. Trying not to over tighten so we won't break anything. So now I'm gonna apply Teflon tape to this connection. So this will be for our PVC pipe. Trying to be as gentle as possible because this is not a metal but PVC.
So, and the other one is gonna be about here.
So if you have an older pipe, probably you will need to replace more because older pipes will break easily. But if you have relatively new pipe, you will be more lucky because you can just simply cut the part out of it. So we decided to remove this part because it was in very bad condition. I bought this one, and now a bit later I'm gonna install PVC pipe inside of it. But now I need to install this part right in here. So this part we're gonna install here. So I prepared this small piece. It's gonna go inside of this. Also pre-primed it. So I'm gonna take this part, half of it I'm gonna cover with cement, put a bit inside, and I'm gonna slide it in there and twist it like this. I already installed PVC pipe inside of this compression coupling, and I'm gonna show you how to install it on the other end. So I have this rubber part that is gonna go right here. We need to slide it so it's very tight. Then we take this part and we slide it. Basically, once you install this unit, the most difficult part is gone. Then you need to install your app and finish the installation and follow all of the instructions. So it's very simple after you install it. So we're gonna apply some cement here, I'm gonna apply here, not a lot, but remember the inlet is in, outlet is out. So I'm gonna install it like this, and then we're gonna twist it, and it's nice and tight. And as you can see, the process is pretty easy, not difficult. And once this part is glued, I'm gonna show you the bottom, but it's pretty much already done. The only one part that is left is just put some cement here, and put it inside. The whole thing is installed and everything just because this compression coupling. It is perfect and highly recommended to you guys if you have similar water water line. If you have PVC, this is a huge helper when you're gonna be cutting your line and connecting your device. So now we're gonna connect it to the power. As you can see, it does have a waterproof protection here. So we will hand tighten and connect it to the power. And as you can see, it is on. So the most difficult part is done. So now I'm gonna connect it to the Wi-Fi after downloading the app, but everything I'm gonna show you a bit later. Once it's done, I'm gonna turn on the water and I'm gonna test the unit. So here is a QR code to download your Frizzlife app. So something from this quick pairing guide, what I wanna tell you guys, as you can see, once you plugged in your device to the power, it does say long press and this query for 5 seconds. So you don't need to press first protect, then query. You do it at the same time. And wait until you see this Wi-Fi start flashing. So this is when you'll see your smart water monitor is found within the app. Then you click it, and then you need to put your password to Wi-Fi. And as you can see, the smart water monitor was added. You just click done. So, and now we're inside of Frizzlife app, and there is lots and lots of what you can do here. So as you can see, I'm within the app. So here's the valve protection, the how much gallons of water you're using today, last 24 hours, 7 days, a month. You can do a leak test showing the temperature, flow rate. I think it's pretty awesome. Let's now run a leak test. And we have 5 minutes remaining. So I'm gonna come back after 5 minutes and we'll see if something is leaking. As you can see, this is the progress, 54%, and I'm also showing you how many minutes left until the test is finished. So just finished the test, and as you can see, in my house, no leak detected. Awesome, so we are protected. So now let's try to test this function, is the valve. We're gonna turn it off and see if it is working and we won't have any water. So I'm just starting testing all different options within this app. So let's try it. And I also want to show you here. Can you film this part? So we're gonna, you see it's showing open here, open. So this is the valve. Now I'm gonna click here and we'll close it. You hear? And it's closing here. So it's closed in the app, and now it's showing close. Let's try to go there and see if we have any water. So this is a house nearby, and we don't have water. So now let's turn water back on and see if this is gonna work. Oh, I see the water is there. So this function works. This is perfect, especially when you're on vacation and let's say you got a notification that there is emergency, you got a leak somewhere, and the only one thing that you need to do is go here and click on this small button, and that's it. Is this awesome? I think so. I highly recommend, guys, this product, and I'm gonna put a link in the description of this video where you can get the product, and I also will put a promotion code that you can use for a limited time only. So go and buy this product. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.